The string hello is 5 characters long. We can convert it to all lowercase. And does it begin with the word hell? Yes, it does. This asterisk joins the words in this list. And we can also multiply a string by an integer to concatenate it to itself. Yes, na is present in the string banana. Isograms. Write a function that determines whether a word is an isogram. An isogram is a word where no letter repeats. Spaces and hyphens are exempted from this rule. So this function takes a word and for each letter in it, checks whether it appears more than once and is an alphanumeric character. If it does, it is not an isogram. Otherwise, it is an isogram. The word isogram is an isogram, but psychology is not. It has 2 O's and 2 Y's. Pickett's is an isogram, and so is this phrase. Pangram. A pangram is a sentence that has each letter in the English alphabet at least once. Write a function that checks whether a string is a pangram. This function takes in a sentence for each letter in the alphabet. If any of it is not present in the sentence, we compare in lowercase. Then it's not a pangram. Otherwise, it is. This sentence is definitely not a pangram, but this one is. Super isograms. Write a function that takes a sentence or a phrase, then analyzes it to determine whether each word in it is an isogram. Bear in mind that this analysis is case insensitive. We have the sentence, we split it into words, and for each letter in each word, we perform a count. If even one word has a certain letter more than once, the sentence is not a super isogram. Otherwise, it is. Super isogram, not a super isogram. Only one word out of the 4 here are isograms. Super isogram, not a super isogram because of the word moon. The first and the last. A function takes in a sentence. Make it return the number of times a word has its first and last characters the same as those of the entire sentence. We begin with a count of 0 for each word in the sentence, for which we use split on a space, if the lowercase of the concatenation of the first and last letters of the word is the same as that of the entire sentence, increase the count by 1. This sentence has 3 words that begin with a T and end with an S. These are this, tests, and tremendous. This one has 3 words beginning and ending with A, alpha, and amoeba.